Kitchen tools. Hello everyone. Let's improve our vocabulary. In this video, we will learn the names of the most common kitchen tools and utensils.
Pot. Pot.
We need a pot to cook the pasta.
Saucepan. Saucepan.
A saucepan is excellent to cook a delicious bolognese.
Frying pan. Frying pan.
He served the potatoes right out of the frying pan.
Strainer. Strainer.
Paul put the vegetables into the strainer.
Ladle. Ladle.
Helen stirred the paella with the ladle.
Cutting board. Cutting board. Please use the cutting board to chop the coriander.
Knife. Knife.
The chef used a knife to cut the steak.
Coffee maker. Coffee maker.
This coffee maker can make a delicious espresso coffee.
Grater. Grater.
Yesterday, I lost my cheese grater.
Dish. Dish.
You can use this dish to serve the pasta.
Fork. Fork.
John used a fork to eat the roast.
Spoon. Spoon.
Mike eats soup with a large spoon.
Cup. Cup.
Can I have a cup of coffee?
Glass. Glass.
I have a glass of milk every day. Thanks for watching.